subscriber key. You can map your subscriber key with individual ID. Find any other, you know, um, find any other attribute which can be mapped to individual data model. So there is no other attribute which can be mapped to individual data model, considering our this what I should say data extension, data lake object. Now apart from individual, guys, this profile is containing email address. So what we will do, we'll save it first. Then we will click on this pencil option for data model entities. Now we will map contact point email. So contact point email will map contact point email. Then we have contact point phone. Then we have city as well, which is contact point address. And click on done option. So here contact point phone, contact point address would be mapped. You can, have mapping done like phone number should be mapped. Should be mapped to a phone number attribute. Then the email address should be mapped to a contact point email address attribute, which is already mapped. Then the country should be mapped to a contact point address country, which is already mapped. Once this mapping is performed, we can click on save and close option. We will map subscriber key with contact point address ID, or what all primary keys we have here. Subscriber key will be mapped.
तो subscriber key has to be mapped with one primary ID from each object, क्या?
Yeah. So guys, successfully we have added the mapping. Once we have successfully added the mapping, we'll click on close option and we'll go to data stream and we will click on update status. So now what data stream will do, it will start to run and would bring that data to these particular objects. It will start bringing data to these particular objects. It will take some time for data stream to come. Meanwhile, you see that our Salesforce Marketing Cloud Starter bundle is also being integrated. Okay, these records are being processed. Maybe